हेलो फ्रेंड्स वीडियो रे मु 15टी क्वेश्चन दे देजी 15टी क्वेश्चन भितर मु 5टी क्वेश्चन पचारिबी केबे पचारिबी सेटा मु वीडियो रे कहि देजी आपण माने वीडियो को प्रथम रु शेष पर्यंत देखंतु। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए पिजियन, ऑप्शन बी पीकॉक, ऑप्शन सी पैरट, ऑप्शन डी क्रो। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी पीकॉक। The peacock is the national bird of India. It was chosen in 1963. It symbolizes India culture, beauty and pride. What is the source of river Ganga? Option A Gangotri, option B Yamantri, option C Amarnath, option D Kedarnath. Right answer is option A Gangotri. The Ganga originates from the Gomu glacier in Gangotri, the sacred source of the Ganges. When was the Constitution of India implemented? Option A January 26, 1950, option B August 15, 1947, option C October 2, 1949, option D November 26, 1949. राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए जनवरी 26, 1950. The Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. On this day, India officially became a republic, meaning the country would be governed by its own constitution and elected representatives instead of the British system. This date is celebrated every year as Republic Day. When is Indian Army Day celebrated? Option A August 15, option B January 26, option C January 15, option D October 2. Right answer is option C January 15. Indian Army Day is celebrated every year on January 15. Kuchipudi dance originated in ऑप्शन ए आंध्र प्रदेश, ऑप्शन बी कर्नाटक, ऑप्शन सी राजस्थान, ऑप्शन डी पंजाब. राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए आंध्र प्रदेश. ओरिजिनल प्लेस कुचिपुड़ी विलेज, कृष्णा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, आंध्र प्रदेश. टाइप वन ऑफ द 8 क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म ऑफ इंडिया, फेमस फॉर ग्रेसफुल मूवमेंट्स, एक्सप्रेशन, स्टोरी टेलिंग. स्पेशल फैक्ट earlier performed by male Brahmin dancer, later women also performed. Which is the highest dam in India? Option A Hirakud, option B Bhakranagal, option C Sardar Sarovar, option D Tehri Dam. Right answer is option D Tehri Dam. Highest dam in India, Tehri Dam. Height 260.5 meter. Location Uttarakhand, India. What is the chemical formula of water? Option A CO2, option B H2O, option C O2, option D NaCl. Right answer is option B H2O. The chemical formula of water is H2O, where H represents the element hydrogen and O represents the element oxygen. Water is a molecule composed of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom. Who is the most prominent god in the Rig Veda? Option A Indra, option B Agni, option C Pasupati, option D Vishnu. Right answer is option A Indra. Indra is considered the most prominent god in the Rig Veda because the maximum number of humans are dedicated to him. He is the god of thunder and rain and the king of the Devas. Indra is famous for defeating the demon Virita, who had stopped the river and rainfall by killing Virita with its weapon called Vajra. Indra released the water and brought rain to the earth. Which is the largest organ of the human body? Option A heart, option B liver, option C skin, option D brain. Right answer is option C skin. Skin is the largest organ of the human body. It covers the entire body and protects internal organs from injury, germs and harmful sunlight. It also helps regulate body temperature through sweating and controls the loss of water. Where is the headquarters of South Central Railway located? Option A Hyderabad, option B Chennai, option C Secunderabad, option D Bangalore. Option C right answer Secunderabad. Secunderabad is the headquarters of South Central Railway, one of the major railway division and an important hub of the Indian Railway's South Central Railway Zone. India and Brazil sign an MOU in which sector? Option A defense production, option B critical minerals, option C agriculture, option D tourism. Right answer is option B critical minerals. India and Brazil sign an MOU in critical minerals sector. The objective is to secure the supply of key minerals for battery manufacturing, green energy and high-tech industry. Which new nationwide vaccination program was launched in India on 28 February 2026? Option A polio vaccination, option B malaria vaccine program, option C HPV vaccination program for girls, option D flu vaccine drive. Right answer option C HPV vaccination program for girls. India has launched an HPV vaccination program for girls to prevent cervical cancer by providing the human papillomavirus vaccine nationwide. On which date is the constitutional referendum in Kazakhstan scheduled? Option A March 1, 2026, option B March 10, 2026, option C March 15, 2026, option D April 1, 2026. Right answer March 15, 2026. The referendum aims to gain public approval for implementing a new constitution. The voting date is set for March 15, 2026. The referendum was announced by Kazakhstan President. रविवार दिन सकाळ 10टा बेले मु 5टी क्वेश्चन पचारिबी वीडियो रे मु 15टी क्वेश्चन देछि 15टी क्वेश्चन भितर मु 5टी क्वेश्चन रविवार दिन सकाळ 10टा बेले मु पचारिबी What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Option A 500, option B 520, option C 543, option D 550. Right answer is option D 550. Maximum strength of Lok Sabha 550. 530 members can be selected from states. Earlier the president could nominate 2 Anglo-Indian members. What is another name for the Rajya Sabha? Option A lower house, option B upper house, option C people's house, option D council of states. Right answer is option B upper house. The Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house of the Parliament of India. It is a permanent house, which means it is never dissolved. The maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250 members, out of which 238 members represent the state and union territories, while 12 members are nominated by the President of India. The Rajya Sabha plays an important role in reviewing law passed by the Lok Sabha and representing the interest of the state in the Parliament. जदि आपनମାନଙ୍କୁ मोर भिडियोटी भल लागुथाए लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करंतु सांग मानक मध्य शेयर करंतु जो माने मो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवे केवल सही माने ही मोर क्वेश्चन रो आंसर दे परिबे।